Blast just released another 2x multiplier. As you can see right here, it is GameFi. And when you complete this multiplier, you're gonna get 2x all the points you currently have and all the points you earn moving forward. So you simply do not wanna fade this tutorial right here. Let's get into it. Step number one is to go over to blast.matscrypto.com and make sure you join the airdrop if you haven't already. Step number two is to go over to blast.io/bridge and bridge over some Ethereum onto Blast. Again, if you have not done this already. But for most of you who've already joined the airdrop, you're gonna go over to this dashboard page right here, click on multipliers, scroll down, and hopefully you've done all these 7 other multipliers already. And if you haven't, go watch this full tutorial right here on how to do all 7 of those super easily and super cheaply. But the multiplier we're doing today is the GameFi multiplier. We're gonna go over here and click Earn Multiplier, and you're gonna see there are 4 different things we can use, 4 different GameFi dApps that will qualify us for this multiplier. You can see you need to use a dApp with any amount of capital to gain this multiplier. If you don't do it, you're gonna be significantly behind everyone else because again, this is a 2x multiplier. It's gonna literally double the points you can earn moving forward. So there is absolute need to do this at some point before June 26th, which in fact is 3 weeks away. The Blast airdrop is 3 weeks away as of making this video today. So there is gonna be 1 more gold distribution and there's gonna be 4 more. You can see them right over here. If we go back to multipliers, there will be 4 more multipliers left. So we want to get all these multipliers. We want to maximize all of our Blast gold with this last distribution by June 25th. That is going to be the ending date, June 25th at 8 a.m. Eastern. The day before, we'll find out how much total points, how much total gold we have. And again, this is my pick for the biggest airdrop of 2024. So if you haven't joined yet, please do not fade it. You're going to regret it, I promise. And for those of you who have asked me a million times, it really is as simple as bridging over to Blast and letting your ETH or USDC sit in here. And that's as simple as it can be if you want it to be like that. Really, you do need to have some sort of capital, but after the airdrop's over, you can take your ETH right back to mainnet if you want to. And that's why, as you can see right here, it is my #1 rated airdrop out of all 60 airdrops on our airdrop spreadsheet guide. It's a 9 rating out of 10. If you want access to this spreadsheet with all 60 airdrops that are in here, and you can see all these green ones are the ones that have already completed so far. And at the moment, we're up to $17,296 worth of airdrops as of when they dropped. You can see 2 of the big ones were Wormhole and Dimension. Those did really good numbers. But overall, I think this Blast one's gonna blow those out of the water. It's gonna blast them out of the water. So if you wanna get access to this spreadsheet, you can join my private community down below at matscrypto.com. Okay, so for the tutorial, we're gonna actually go ahead and use Play Cambria as our choice game to get this 2x multiplier. I believe you can get it as little as $3. That's the goal we try to aim for these multipliers, is to spend less than $3 to achieve the multiplier. First, you're gonna go to play.cambria.gg and then you're gonna need to connect your wallet. Once you've connected your wallet, you're gonna click Enter World and you will be in, and I imagine there's gonna be a lot of people in here today because this multiplier is gonna bring a lot of attention to these couple games that are on Blast. Okay, so we're in. You can see right here, I'm the little skeleton with the nice blonde hair, Matt's Crypto. And what we're gonna do here is pretty simple. You're gonna go over to find a duel. What we're gonna do is scroll all the way down, and then we're going to click on one of these ones that has a very low amount, 0.001 to 0.002 ETH, and we'll click Challenge. Once you find the person you're looking for, you're gonna actually need to go and request a duel next to that person, and then this screen's gonna pop up once that person has accepted. Then you're gonna go ahead and put how much you wanna stake. Again, we're gonna do 0.001, which is about $3. You can see that they've also done 0.001, which is their stake, and we can basically go ahead and click this to match it as well if we want to. We're gonna select Great Axe as the battle type, and then we're gonna click Accept. On the next screen here, we're gonna click Initialize, and that will prompt the transaction in your wallet. And when the wallet pops, we can see right here, it's $3.87. Make sure it is from play.cambria.gg, and then click Confirm. Okay, and here we go. We are now in the duel, and the rest should be automatic. You don't really have to do anything. But here we go. He starts off with a nice swipe. We're definitely getting crushed already. Oh yes, we're definitely getting crushed. Ooh, nice comeback there. Ooh, huge 343 hit. We're probably gonna lose this. 22, 345. Oh my gosh, if we survive this, we might make it out. Ooh, 114. Boom! The dub. That's Crypto. The dub. We love it. And there you go. That's it. It's that easy. We won $8. Even though it's really more like $3.87, and we get our $3.87 back, but there you go. That is how you duel. And we got some dual arena points and some arena tokens. We can click claim, and then we're actually gonna have to sign the transaction to claim that money back. And that's it. It's really that easy. I would highly suggest clicking Great Axe because that one's totally RNG based. For all the other weapons, you actually need to have some kind of understanding of how they work. So definitely use Axe if you don't know what you're doing like me and just wanna get the multiplier and be out of here. You might win, you might lose, but either way, it's gonna be $3 that you lose or it's $3 that you win. And when we go back over to the Blast dashboard now, we should have to wait a few minutes, but then our multiplier should automatically initiate. And there you go, it is done already. GameFi, 2x multiplier completed. It's that simple. You're gonna go to Play Cambria, do one duel, and you're done. I'll leave the links down below so you guys can join that if you need to. And if you have any other questions, leave me a comment. I'll help you guys out as much as I possibly can. As a reminder, if you want access to the entire spreadsheet guide right here, join our private community. We talk in there all the time about new airdrops, all these new tokens coming out, meme coins, all this great stuff, mattscrypto.com. And as a final reminder, you should go and watch this video because if you haven't yet, it explains every single thing I'm doing to earn the maximum amount of gold and points for the Blast airdrop. And we've done pretty well so far. So if you haven't seen it, definitely check it out.